Hello, Charlie from TrotBooks here, and in this video we're going to be talking about tracking expenses. So the money going out. The expenses page is every cost across your whole barn in one spot. You can filter by horse, category, date range, with a running total right at the bottom here. So to log one, we would hit add expense up here, pick the horse or horses. We could select a category, and there's categories for just about everything in this game. So blacksmith, dentist, driver fees, nominations, medications, you name it. Categorizing it as you go makes the year-end picture look a little bit more useful. So we'll say blacksmith cost us 200, and this is charged per horse. And now you might notice this here. So there's two flavors of expenses. There are recurring ones that hit automatically every month. So things we've talked about, stall rent, day rate. And then there's one-offs, so that you add them when they happen, like a vet visit or, perhaps blacksmith. So both land on the owner's invoice, split by their ownership percentage. You don't do the math, TrotBooks does. Here's something you might notice. Once an expense has been billed on an invoice, it gets a little lock instead of a delete button. So if you genuinely need to edit it, what you'd actually have to do here is open the invoice, discard the draft, and go about editing it. But yeah, this is all intentional. TrotBooks won't let you change the numbers out from under an owner who's already been billed. And these are not only visible, these expenses on this expenses page, but of course you can also see them on the horse page. Cool, so costs are covered, and in the next video we'll cover the more fun side, recording some races.